Here is how we could transfer everything from one iPad to another. So let me talk about it and explain how you could approach this. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there I would say are two main ways you can go. First of all, a lot of people just go to their settings, tap on their profile, and upon going to the iCloud, you will see the iCloud backup. And if you have this enabled and if you have enough storage for it on your iCloud, you can back up the whole iPad, which will include everything like the photos, apps which are downloaded, the data, documents, and everything, right? So you would be able to back it up right here and just like that. And then on the new device, whenever you just open up the iPad out of the box and you turn it on, during the quick start process, you will have the ability to either start it as a brand new device or restore it from a backup. And as you can see, if you have a backup stored in there, you will have the ability to choose restore from backup, and you will be able to use that one and get all of the data from the previous iPad. The quick start process or feature on the iPad is really interesting because you can even move data from other devices, right? For example, from Androids or even existing iPads without a backup. So the point is that it has to be done during the quick start process, and that is only when you first open up the iPad and turn it on for the first time. If you have already set up the iPad and you are on the home screen and you want to get to this quick start page, you will have to reset the iPad and erase it fully by going to the settings, general, and at the bottom, transfer or reset iPad, and you will need to erase all content and settings. So once you delete everything, you go back to the first stage of the iPad, to the setup process, and you will be able to then access the quick start settings, which will allow you to either set up the iPad from backup or from existing device which is nearby. So that's very interesting. That is the best way to transfer everything from one iPad to another. So let me know if you managed to do it, if it worked out for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the future uploads.